Ripple, a blockchain business that provides financial services, is teaming up with TR and Labs in Thailand to conduct its first policy symposium. After 3 years, will we finally witness another golden cross? Having a big $1.05 billion XRP balance sheet must feel great, too. The SEC's illegal expansion of the Howey test begs the final question: why? Coin Matters channel update is here with your daily helping of XRP and cryptocurrency news and analysis. If you care at all about XRP's future, you'll want to pay close attention to today's video. You can enter the giveaway and never miss an upload if you subscribe to the channel and enable post alerts by clicking the bell. This is not a video offering financial guidance. Ripple's efforts to strengthen its foothold in the Southeast Asian market were on display at the event it hosted in partnership with TR and Labs. Managing Director of Asia Pacific and the Middle East and North Africa at Ripple and Senior Vice President of Global Customer Success Brooks Entwistle spoke highly of the summit. A recent tweet suggests that despite the present decline, XRP still has a bright future ahead of it. After 3 years of waiting, prominent UK-based crypto chartist and analyst XRP appears to be forming a golden cross, as reported by CoinSkid. Using data from previous trends, the expert predicts a price increase of 720% during the next few days. The possibility for a significant price increase following this exciting disclosure has encouraged investors and advocates alike. If the price chart shows a 10-day exponential moving average, EMA, crossing over a 20-day EMA, we get a bullish technical pattern known as a golden cross. The possibility of a large upward price movement is generally interpreted as a bullish indicator by traders and analysts. When examining the past performance of XRPs, it is clear that previous golden crosses have had a significant effect on its price. These allegations are supported by data showing that in 2017 XRP the 10-day and 20-day EMA golden crossed, causing a significant rise. In March of 2017, a golden cross appeared on the monthly chart for XRP. The event caused XRP to rise from its March 2017 low of 5 cents to its January 2018 high of $3.03. The price of XRPs rose by an astounding 59,665% in a little over a year, making this the highest price increase ever recorded for the company. Similarly, the second golden cross in 2020 CoinSkid led to another rally and a 720% increase, as was the case the last time such a golden cross occurred. According to the XRP monthly chart, a golden cross did occur in November of 2020. After reaching a low of 23 cents in November 2022, XRP's price rallied to a top of $1.09 in April 2021 after this golden cross. In just 6 months, this constituted a 720% rise. This prior precedent strengthens the current study, increasing hope for a price increase. According to the monthly chart, XRP is lining up the stars for a new golden cross. A golden cross, if XRP forms it. According to CoinSkip, the digital asset might reach new all-time highs after a gain of roughly 720%. While we haven't settled on a specific goal just yet. If XRP can break through its prior ETH, experts predict a modest minimum goal of $9. Meanwhile, XRP has been trading below the 50-cent psychological price barrier in the short term. Yesterday, the asset posted its first intraday loss of July, dashing any hopes it had of reclaiming the price area. Over the past day, RPE stock has traded at 48 cents, a gain of 0.32%. Additionally, attorney John Deaton, managing partner of the Deaton legal firm, has responded to the newly publicized proof of reserves by a New York-based cryptocurrency exchange. It's interesting that Deaton cares more about keeping XRP's books in order. The company's public relations director, Dr. Martin, talked publicly yesterday about the exchange's massive $1.71 billion cash reserve. Uphold also has a $1.69 billion debt to service. Interestingly, XRP's $1.05 billion in assets and obligation equals exactly $1.05 billion in total Upholds. Attorney Deaton responded to the news by saying that the exchange's decision to uphold XRP's balance sheet demonstrates why it continues to be such a supporter of the XRP community. Especially noteworthy is Uphold's unwavering support for XRP ever since the SEC filed suit against Ripple in December 2020. Uphold has continued to support XRP despite the fact that most major cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase and Kraken, have suspended trade of the coin. While many worry that Uphold may be punished by the SEC for facilitating XRP trading on the secondary market, the company has demonstrated that it has over 2 billion XRP in reserve. The coin has yet to meet the exchange's requirements for listing. Uphold introduced two new, exciting services last month for users of the XRP cryptocurrency. Uphold, a new platform for over-the-counter trading of XRP and other cryptocurrencies, was recently announced. To facilitate the usage of credit and debit cards in the acquisition of XRP, XRPL-based non-custodial wallet Sum has worked with Uphold. Meanwhile, Attorney Deaton thinks it's a good idea to keep supporting XRP trading indefinitely. Between January 2021 and January 2023, Deaton estimates that RP will contribute for a sizable portion of Uphold's trading fees. You may recall that in January 2021, crypto exchanges in the US, led by Coinbase, began to cease XRP support. As a result, traders and buyers of XRP have had to rely on Uphold, the well-known centralized exchange. The burning question of the day is why the SEC unlawfully widened the Howey test. Attorney John Deaton, who is in favor of XRP, agrees with Coinbase top lawyer, Paul Grewal, that the SEC is breaking the law. Grewal tweeted yesterday that the SEC's view of investment contracts is illegal. After reading the Supreme Court's judgment in Nebraska, which applied the significant questions doctrine, Grewal made the remark. It's worth mentioning that the crypto community reacted in different ways to Google's comment. Deaton thinks the chief legal officer of Coinbase was correct in his remark, though. An attorney advocating for XRP pointed out that the SEC's interpretation of the Howey test was improperly broadened. The SEC's interpretation of investment contracts is illegal, and Attorney Deaton gave a few facts to demonstrate this. Deaton claims that the SEC did not prohibit employees from owning cryptocurrency prior to 2018. This occurred because the regulator lacked confidence in the new assets. Second, Deaton pointed out that key employees of the commission acknowledged that crypto fell into a regulatory gap in 2018 when Heyman was drafting his address on cryptocurrencies. He continued by saying that these officials lacked faith that the commission could effectively regulate cryptos. Finally, the pro-XRP attorney cited the 2019 edition of the FSOC annual report as further evidence. The study endorsing XRP and BTC as virtual currencies was signed by prominent figures such as Jerome Powell and Jay Clayton. Fourth, Deaton claims that during his confirmation hearing in early 2021, SEC head Gary Gensler admitted the existence of this regulatory gap with regards to how to handle crypto on a per-asset basis. Deaton-Genster added that the SEC and CFTC do not regulate cryptocurrencies or cryptocurrency enterprises. Deaton also claimed that no U.S. court has ever upheld the existence of an investment contract in circumstances where neither the buyer nor the seller of an asset shared any kind of prior privity or communication. The attorney made a similar point, saying that there is no U.S. case finding that a secondary sale of assets used in a transaction, including an investment contract, constitutes a security. Other Supreme Court rulings he brought up included West Virginia v. EPA and the Supreme Court's Nebraska and our 2 cents. Notably, both rulings invalidated the abuse of authority by separate government entities. Deaton added that the SDC's regulatory jurisdiction is constrained by the recently proposed legislation for crypto. Finally, Deaton said that the CFTC is given more weight than the SEC in President Joe Biden's executive order. Paul Greenwald's assertion that Gensler and the SEC are breaking the law as it now stands is not an exaggeration. Deaton: okay, that's it for today, gents. How do you feel about XRP? Participate and tell us what you think in the comments section. Please show your appreciation for this video by giving it a big thumbs up if you found it entertaining. Additionally, if you want to be notified the next time we release a video on the newest XRP and cryptocurrency news, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video. See you in the next video. Bye.